Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about timeline of history. As we all are aware with the three periods of history, that is ancient, medieval and modern, right? But in this video, I'm going to discuss about the main historical timeline, which will give you the more broader view of understanding historical periods. So historical timeline consists, or we can say it includes mainly three periods. First, prehistory, second, protohistory, and third, history. This division of historical timeline will give you better understanding of other divisions or periods of history. Now, the first one is prehistory. So the first point, the word prehistory is formed by joining two words, that is pre means before and history. So prehistorical period is the time before people began to write, which means we do not have any written records on the life of prehistoric men. Now the third point, we can also say that it is the period of time before civilization. So here civilization means before the emergence of world's great civilizations, which includes Harappan civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, etc. Fourth point, it includes the Stone Age and hunter-gatherers period. Fifth point, with the help of archaeological sources, we know about this period. As we are aware with what is archaeology means, basically it is the study of past based on objects or material remains, and it is used for that period for which we do not have written records, and we do not have written records of prehistory. Archaeological sources includes stone tools, weapons, bones of animals they were eating, as well as using them in making weapons. All the four periods of Stone Age is part of prehistoric timeline, which includes Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic and Chalcolithic. Now, the second one is protohistory. First point, the word protohistory is formed by joining two words, that is proto, means from which others develop, and history. Second point, protohistory is the period between prehistory and written history. Basically, protohistory had started after the prehistory and ended before the period of recorded history. Third point, protohistory can also be defined as a transition period between prehistory and history. So here transition period means a temporary state where something is in the process of changing from one state or stage to another. So it shows the process of changing from prehistory to history. Here I am saying that protohistory shows the process of changing from prehistory to history. That is why it is known as transition period. Fourth point, protohistory basically includes the emergence of civilizations. Protohistory is the history of culture and civilization which has not yet developed writing. The Harappan civilization, we all are aware with Harappan civilization, is the part of protohistory because their writing includes symbols. They were using symbols at that time, not the proper characters or alphabets. Only symbols they were using, which shows that their writing was still in developing process, because of which historians are not able to decipher it. Means that they are still not able to understand it. So the main source for knowing about this period is also archaeological sources. Now, the third one is history. First point, this word history basically denotes that part of historical timeline which includes the written history or well-recorded history, means we have written records of this period. Second point, in this period, people had started using proper well-developed language and their well-defined scripts to write. So scripts means a system of writing. In Hindi, we call it lipi. We all are aware with Devanagari lipi. So the third point, These languages and scripts are understandable to historians, or we can say that it was deciphered by them, which means with the help of these written records, we can know more about this period, for example, about people, their culture, their way of thinking, their treasure of knowledge about different fields, etc. Because of written records, we have more information about this period. This period started from Vedic period and includes the present age. Thank you. If you like my video, please like and subscribe.